Rachi Gupta, chef and founder here at the Bread Bar in Mumbai. Today we are going to make what everyone screams for. Yes, you're right, ice cream. But with a healthy twist, which I call the Nicecream. You will realize why when you watch this video till the end. Since this ice cream doesn't have any dairy products, the main ingredient of this ice cream is bananas. So we've taken 3 bananas. Let's peel the bananas and roughly chop them. Now we're going to put the bananas in the Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. Do not omit this step because it will lead to a mushy consistency of the ice cream. Now I'm going to add the frozen bananas. Now we're going to add the peanut butter. Now we're going to add some honey. Now we're going to add some cocoa powder for the chocolatey flavor. Now let's mix it into an icy soft serve consistency. This is done. Now let's take it into a bowl. Now let's put this in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now the ice cream is out of the freezer. We're going to scoop it out. If you freeze it for another 30 minutes, you'll get a proper ice cream scoop. I personally like it with dark chocolate chips and hazelnuts. You can top it up with anything you like. The ice cream is now ready to enjoy. It's just made with 4 simple ingredients, so you should definitely try the recipe out. Also, to make this vegan, you can replace the honey with maple syrup or sugar. Check out the Bread Bar on Instagram to order more such baked goods. And follow Times Now Foodie for more such interesting food content.